Are you staring at that Asana pricing page, wondering if your project management dreams are about to bankrupt you? Yeah, me too. Or at least I was. Look, we all know the drill. You've got projects, deadlines, teams, and a whole lot of chaos you're trying to wrangle. Asana pops up, promises to be your organizational superhero, and then, bam, the price tag. It hits you like a cold splash of reality. Suddenly, manage my workflow feels suspiciously like manage my dwindling bank account. We've been there, haven't we? The endless spreadsheets, the missed deadlines, the communication breakdowns. You know you need something better, something that actually works, something that doesn't just add another layer of complexity to your already complex life. That's why Asana, with its sleek interface and powerful features, is so tempting. But that price, it lingers, casting a shadow of doubt. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of whether Asana is really too expensive, let's get real about what we're actually paying for. It's not just software, is it? We're buying back time. We're buying clarity. We're buying the ability to actually focus on the work that matters, instead of getting lost in the administrative weeds. We're paying for sanity. Asana, at its core, is a work management platform designed to streamline your processes. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, track progress, and communicate within the context of each project. It offers a visual representation of your workflow, allowing you to see the big picture and identify potential bottlenecks. You can customize views, create templates, and integrate with other tools you already use. It's a powerhouse, no doubt. But here's the rub. That powerhouse comes with a price. And that price varies depending on the plan you choose. Asana offers several tiers, each with its own set of features and limitations. We've got the free basic plan, which is great for individuals or very small teams. Then we move up to the premium, business, and enterprise plans, each unlocking more advanced features and catering to larger organizations. Let's break it down. The basic plan is, well, basic. It's fine for simple task management, but it lacks the more advanced features that make Asana truly shine. The premium plan, which is where most people start to look, adds features like timelines, custom fields, and advanced search. The business plan takes it a step further with portfolios, workload management, and forms. And the enterprise plan? That's for the big leagues, with custom branding, advanced security, and priority support. So, is Asana too expensive? The answer, as always, is it depends. It depends on your needs, your team size, and your budget. If you're a freelancer or a small team with simple project management needs, the free or premium plan might be sufficient. But if you're a larger organization with complex workflows and a need for advanced features, you'll likely need to invest in the business or enterprise plan. Let's look at the value proposition. If Asana saves you even a few hours a week by streamlining your workflows, that translates to real cost savings. Think about the time you spend searching for information, chasing down updates, or dealing with miscommunication. Asana can eliminate much of that wasted time, allowing you to focus on more productive tasks. And it's not just about time. It's about reducing errors, improving collaboration, and increasing efficiency. When everyone is on the same page, projects run smoother, deadlines are met, and stress levels are lower. That's a return on investment that's hard to quantify, but it's real. But what about alternatives? Are there cheaper options that offer similar features? Absolutely. There are a plethora of project management tools out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Trello, for example, is a popular option known for its simplicity and visual appeal. Monday.com is another strong contender, offering a highly customizable platform with a focus on visual workflows. Then there are tools like ClickUp, Jira, and even Google Workspace's project management features. Each has different pricing structures and feature sets. The key is to do your research, compare options, and choose the tool that best fits your specific needs and budget. So, how do you decide if Asana is worth the investment? First, take a close look at your current project management processes. Identify the pain points and determine what features you need to address them. Then, evaluate Asana's different plans and compare them to the alternatives. Don't just look at the price tag. Consider the long-term benefits. Think about the time and money you'll save by streamlining your workflows. Think about the improved collaboration and reduced stress. And think about the potential for growth and scalability. If you're still on the fence, take advantage of Asana's free trial. This will give you a chance to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for your team. Use the trial period wisely. Explore the different features, experiment with different workflows, and get feedback from your team. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not Asana is too expensive is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer. It depends on your unique circumstances. But by carefully evaluating your needs, comparing options, and considering the long-term benefits, you can make an informed decision that's right for you. Remember, investing in the right tools can be a game changer. It can transform your workflows, improve your productivity, and ultimately, help you achieve your goals. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your team. And don't let the price tag scare you away from exploring the potential benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.